I'm Nikki, your host, and I'm super excited to share my passions with you. Grab a cup of your favorite drink, get comfy, and let's dive into the world of Nikki's lifestyle.
Today we want to do yogurt fura in a simplest way. Inside here we have our washed, dry and blended millet. Then I will add some ginger powder, some salt. We add some pepper, dry pepper. This one is not the one we are fermenting for 3 days. That's why I said in a simplest way. Then you mix everything together. So you have to wash your hands very thoroughly and start the work. You have to do the work with your bare hand. Add small water. I'm making use of pure water. You add and turn. You add and turn. You want to get a kind of small bubble shape when you add. Just be turning it like this. As you can see, I'm getting what I want, the texture I want to get. Add again. This is the chunks I want to get. This is what I want to get. Already is boiling small. We are using double boiling method. Just press your sieve. It will not be touching the water. Then you cover for like 20 or 30 minutes for it to cook. Inside here we have our yogurt, sweetening yogurt. Remember I told you that we are doing yogurt for an easiest way without allowing the millet to ferment for 3 days. The millet is on the fire cooking. We are using double boiling. So this is the yogurt we use. We add our vanilla. I'm using a vanilla flavor. We add our milk. Mix. Then we are waiting for the millet. We are waiting for the millet to cook. So when our millet is done, we will come back. So yeah, we'll add this is our shredded coconut, the fresh coconut. This is our millet. We have cooked it using double boiling. And mix everything together. This is our yogurt fura. It's ready. We are going to dish it inside our small plates. Put it in the freezer. Allow it to get chilled before we commence to consume it. Tell me in the comment section, will you try this for your family? It's good for children, it's also good for adults. We are going to put it like this in batches. See, our yogurt fura is ready. Can you see how creamy it is? You can do it in batches, put it inside your fridge. In the morning, you scoop out one and use it as breakfast. Tell me in the comment section, will you try it? Thank you.